thank you. But personally, mine is the disturbance because when he left the house, he was going for a funeral. And as a leader in Limuru that he has been, he has the right to speak. And he has always been given a chance to speak like other leaders. But why abduct him? What wrong did he commit? And he was not the only one. He was with so many other leaders. So why pinpoint on him? Why abduct him? Where is he? How safe is he? Who can answer all these questions? This is definitely wrong and sad, because if this is what they can do to the leaders, to silence them, to intimidate them, then where are we as common people? Where are we in this country? Mine is a prayer. Release my husband, release the mother of my children. They are here, and they have struggled even to come here because it was a shock even when they broke the news. Because all this time he has been in parliament twice. Even when he has not been in parliament, he is very active in Limuru, and I do believe he will continue serving the people of Limuru in many different ways. He will still attend funerals, but we cannot make it so impossible to do public functions. It is not right. So personally, I am not.
Just before the lawyer speaks, we are live to the information that is coming to us that the young men who are used to cause mayhem in Limuru, who came in masks, carrying pockets of stones and many other crude weapons that they carried, we are getting information, reliable information, that those boys are now headed to Embu. And because Embu, there is a function that is planned there tomorrow, and there is one of our colleagues who is coordinating that event, the Honorable Mukonji. We are reliably being informed that the guns are being transported in buses tonight to go and cause mayhem in Embu. We want to announce without fear of contradiction, this is our country, and we are not going to allow Kenyans to be sleeping in pain and agony. We are not going to allow that we cannot have any farmers meeting anymore because goods are going to be sent by people who feel that they have only one tool left, and that is violence. So whatever is being planned in Embu, we are well aware, and we are calling upon the security apparatus to make sure the meeting that is supposed to be happening tomorrow for tea farmers in Embu happen under security, and the farmers must be protected to air their views and concerns and give their concerns on the bill that is coming, the tea bill that is coming. There are people who are planning mayhem so that they can pass bills against the people's wish. But
maybe before he comes, if I were to say just one thing before he comes, whoever imagines that by instilling fear or by bringing goons and attacking our vehicles, you can see the kind of harm that has been done on the members of parliament who are accompanying the deputy president, Gachagua. They imagine that they will feel our resolve. We shall still continue speaking for our people. We shall be there. We shall not keep quiet. Not even abductions, not even attacks on our own selves or even our own families, or the threats that have been done to us as leaders, or the threats that have been done on the person of His Excellency Gachagua, who will stop us because our resolve is very deep rooted. The only thing, if the government of the day feels that they really want to stop us, the only tool that is available for them to stop us is a bullet.
Let me say something short, that we are very shocked that this is happening to our country. The deputy president, who seems to be their main target, was impeached hardly a month ago, and he's already down. I don't know why they feel so scared by him, but of course we know that their scheme did not work. They thought that once he was down with the impeachment that he was not going to have any influence. And we know that they are scared, they are shivering that the deputy president second deputy president continues enjoying massive support with the people of Mount Kenya. We want to tell them that we will not be cowed, we will not be intimidated, and we are ready, and we know that our people in Mount Kenya are being targeted, and that we know for sure. But we will not be shaken. We will continue the risk. But we want to also talk to our people that when there is an event, let the locals see who is there, and when they see somebody that they suspect, let them put them to account. Let them tell the people there whom they are, what they have come to do, because the people, the goons that were in Limuru are not locals. These were imported, and we are telling our people to also be very vigilant. Very vigilant. Anybody they do not know should actually not be allowed there. And if they want to call that incitement, so be it. But we will not fear, and it is our right. The powers that this government is using to intimidate our people, we are the same people that they give this government the power through our vote. Thank you very much.